Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're working on the R53. We're installing a supercharger pulley, which I'm very excited about. I'm very excited to get some more zoomies, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm hoping by the end of this process I'll have a trick or two for you guys to make your lives a little bit easier. Let's start.
You out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
Okay, so we're going to be taking off this bolt and this bolt and ultimately removing this upper motor mount. We already removed the lower motor mount and put a jack under the car, so this is the next step. In order to remove this mount, you want the jack underneath the motor. So we just put the little pin in to hold the tensioner and pulled off the belt. Okay, so we just got the pulley puller on here, bolt in, and then there's a bolt inside the actual pulley as well so we don't damage it. And now we're going to twist this bolt clockwise. Okay, so we just pulled the stock pulley off and we're going to be putting the Craven Speed 15% on. It's two pieces, so we're going to start by sliding on this piece first. And then line these up. Okay, so we're going to put them in an X pattern simply because it's best to distribute the tension and to continue to tighten.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Okay, so we just put on the new belt, as you can see, the shorter one to go with the smaller pulley, and now we're just putting the rest of the car back together. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I finished up the pulley, and I do feel a noticeable difference. I wanted to drive the car a couple days on it, as it is my commuter, and I could give you guys a more honest opinion about what I think about it. I am really enjoying it. It's kind of nice to have a little more go when you need it. I only went with a 15% because it is my daily driver, but for being a daily driver, I am very happy with it, and I would definitely suggest it. So I will see you guys in the next one.